Welcome to our competency-based question series designed chapter-wise to strengthen your conceptual learning. And question 5, it says there are three charged particles and they are subjected to identical magnetic field. The data given in the table is different for different charged particles. We need to answer the three subparts of the question based on the data given. So let's take part 1. Which of the particles will revolve along the circular path with maximum frequency? We know the frequency nu for the charged particle when they follow the circular path in a magnetic field is given by nu is equal to qb divided by 2 pi m. Here b is identical for all the charged particles. So we can say that nu is proportional to q by m, that is charges to mass ratio. Let's find out for each of the particles. Nu for proton will be proportional to E by m. Nu for deuteron will be proportional to E by 2m, and nu for alpha particle will be proportional to 2E upon 4m. Again, it will come out to be E by 2m. So here we can see that frequency for proton is maximum out of these three. So proton will follow the circular path with maximum frequency. Let's take part 2. It says identify the particle that will follow a spiral path. So we know that if angle between v vector and b vector is equal to 90 degree, then path will be circular. But if it is any other angle, theta is not equal to 90, then path followed will be spiral. So here it is given angle between b and b. If it is 30 degree, so the path will be spiral. If it is 90 degree, path will be circular. For 60 again, the path will be spiral. So we can say that proton and alpha particle will follow the spiral path. And that's the required answer. Let's take part 3 as well. Which particle revolves around the curved path with maximum radius? So we know that radius of the path followed by the charged particle in magnetic field is given by r is equal to m v perpendicular divided by qb. Since b is identical for all the three charged particles, we can write that radius is proportional to mv sine theta divided by q. So let's put the values of mass, charge and theta for each of the charged particles to find their radius. Radius of proton will be proportional to m v sine 30 divided by e, and it will come out to be mv upon 2e on putting the value of sine 30 as half. So radius of proton is proportional to mv by 2e. Let's find for deuteron as well. Radius of deuteron will be proportional to 2mv sine 90 divided by e. And when you solve it, it will be 2mv by e. And then for alpha particle, it will be proportional to 4mv sine 60 divided by 2e. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. And when we solve it out, it will be under root 3 mv by e. So out of these three radius, we can see the radius for deuteron is maximum. So we can write deuteron will follow the curved path with a maximum radius. Thank you for now. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep